take your medicine. Okay. I'll give it to you then. There you go. Take. Why did you do that? Get out. Get out. Get out!
Hey, baby.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. A surprise visit?
Yeah.
No ice cream?
You wanted ice cream?
I wanted ice cream.
Oh, my bad. But I did bring something better than ice cream, though.
What?
Trust me, you like it. I came to, Look, babe. I know I'm not the best man out there. Neither am I the finest. I mean, I've seen men, well, 100 times better than me. Men who want to give you the whole world at your feet. You know, I've seen them flock around you, but then you said no to all of them just because you want to be with me. And that makes me feel like the luckiest man on earth. And there's nothing I would want more than to spend the rest of my life with you. So I'll ask you, Chinasa Okafo, will you do me the honor of being my wife?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh my God.
I was too excited, I'm sorry. Yes, yes. Oh my goodness. Yes, baby. Baby.
I'm so glad you said yes.
I've been waiting for this moment my entire life.
Sorry. So sorry I had to keep you waiting.
Like?
I know. Oh, I'm so glad you said yes.
Hello? Naza have started again. But I'll come tomorrow morning. Just try your best. Take care of her, please. Okay.
Is there a problem?
It's my sister. She has started again. Sister Naza was the liveliest person ever. Every Everybody was her friend. I mean, the entire neighborhood was friends with Sister Naza. You're going to be the one that will cook. Hold on. That's very sure. Isn't it? Huh? Isn't it you're cheating? No? I'm not cheating. Pick 2.
Nice, nice, nice.
That's how we roll.
Let me continue. That's not nice. You don't even have anything. Your turn. Pick 2.
Isn't it? I don't understand this thing you're doing.
You gave me picture and you played continue with general market, and then you now went to market because she did not have continue, and I gave you pick 2. So pick 2.
You pick 2.
How is it me that is speaking to you? She that is speaking to.
You pick 2.
Why?
Isn't it pick 2?
You started cheating again.
Cheating how?
You're cheating now. Pick your 2.
They don't want to cook this food. Isn't it pick 2?
No, I can't. I will not accept this one.
Isn't it? But you gave me pick 2 before. You because it's still the same thing that we are doing now. But this way you give me. My own is still pick 2. Pick 2 now.
Pick 2 madam. What is happening? What is happening again? You guys can never play this game without arguing. She's cheating.
I don't even understand. Someone will be playing games. She'll be doing ojoro.
Okay. I know what to solve the problem. Abi, better.
Sister, I don't like this thing.
Now I'm ready to join the game. Let's play. Let's play.
Just say you want to play.
Let's play. Fighters.
You have luck. You have luck.
I will still win. I'm here to win.
But you need to know the rule of this game. Anybody that is losing is what I'll cook for 1 week.
1 week. I'm not scared of that. This is the person that should be scared of that.
That's why she doesn't want to pick that too.
It's poison. Play.
Share the card.
Let me win you people. It's been a while.
We were such a happy family, even without our parents. I mean, who needed mommy and daddy when Sister Naza was around? Life was perfect. Life was so beautiful until one fateful day, we got a call that my sister was involved in a car accident. She was in a coma for 2 months, and those 2 months were the most horrible period of our lives. When she came out, she forgot everything.
That's, she had amnesia.
Yes. All efforts to help her recover her memory have been worthless. She gave up. She stopped taking her medications, treatments, her drugs. She abandoned everything. Although the past 2 months have been good, she was responsive. But the call I just got from my younger sister now is saying that she has started again.
Started again? Started what?
I don't know. I have no idea, but whatever it is, it's not good.
Come here. Come. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Alright?
I just hope so.
Yeah, it will. Don't worry.
I'm fine. Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm
Isn't
fine.
it? It's finally good to meet you.
Isn't it? Meet my fiance Jerry.
Oh my God! Congratulations!
Thank you so much. Where is Sister Naza?
In her room.
Okay, babes.
Yes.
Just sit down, feel comfortable.
Okay.
And let me go inform my sister that you're here.
Sure.
Isn't it? Carry her back upstairs.
Okay.
Now.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You. How are you? How are you? Isn't it said you've not taken your drugs since yesterday?
They are useless.
No, don't say that. They're not useless. They're going to do a thing or two for you.
They're as good as nothing.
But the doctor said that
I
if you take...
care what the doctor said.
Guess who got engaged? Jerry proposed, so we're getting married. We'll show you the latest bride. We have a wedding to prepare for. So you're not happy for me.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Jerry's downstairs. He'd love to meet with you officially.
I don't want to see him.
Well, sister, he came all the way from Abuja. Okay, so what about tomorrow? Sister.
You're on holiday, right?
No, I come home every weekend to look after Sister Naza. I'll be going back tomorrow.
Oh. Okay.
So you're like my brother-in-law now, yeah?
It seems so.
Welcome.
Yeah. Babe, what is it? Sister Naza.
She doesn't want to see you today.
It's fine. Tomorrow is not far.
Sister Chishi, why don't you go upstairs and freshen up? Let me make lunch. I'll be back. Let's go upstairs.
Yeah, sure. After you.
She took the bag upstairs already. You're welcome to my home, sweet home.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for making you spend the night. I know you wanted to stay in the hotel, but you had to stay here with me.
It's okay. Yeah, at least I get to spend it with you.
Thank you for understanding.
It's not like I had a choice. Your juju is too strong.
Which juju? You're the one with the juju.
Oh, I am? Oh, wow. May my juju not lose its potency.
Amen. Babe. I honestly wish things were different.
How different?
I mean with Naza. I wish this did not happen to her. She's actually a vibe, you know, like You would love her. She has such an amazing personality.
Well, I might still get to love her still, you know. Let's just leave it, alright? With time, we'll walk through these things together.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
If you're not holding me tight. Babe.
What is it again? She has refused to say a word to me. I'm already leaving. I'm late for lectures. Thank you for the money, sir.
You're welcome.
You gave her money.
That's not what an in-law is supposed to do.
What is this one feeling like?
Best in-law in the world.
Best things of fire. Let me just go and meet her, okay? Don't finish. Come.
You be careful.
She's not fighting. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Sister. Sister, I'm going to tell you the same thing you told me when I couldn't get over the death of our parents. You said to me, Chi, we all love dad and mom. So you have to be strong and move on. Don't do it for yourself. Do it for Ezinne and I. I promise to be daddy and mommy henceforth. That was what you said to me. But how can you keep to that promise if you're not taking the one thing that will make you feel better? Sister. Now I want to tell you the same thing you told me. Don't do it for yourself. Do it for me and Ezinne. Just so you could take your drug.
Good morning, Naza. You fell down?
Yes.
Are you alright?
Sorry, I'm fine. Yeah, I missed my step. I was on a call with my sister. She's lost, so I'm trying to direct her.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. Where are you headed?
First Avenue.
That's actually where I'm going. Do you mind if I drop you off?
Oh, no, it's fine. I was just...
I insist. Please. You don't look like you're in a good shape.
Thank you.
Alright, sure. Just get to go. sister coming from?
School. She just graduated.
Oh, really?
I recently moved into an apartment and she doesn't know the place yet.
Oh, okay. I see. I'm Jeremiah.
I'm Naza. Nice to meet you.
Same here. I would like to see you again.
Okay.
Alright. So just give you my card. My card. So call me. Alright?
Okay. I'll call you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Beautiful girl.
Hi. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet me.
Yes, nice to meet you. You know, I've heard a lot of good things about you, except that you don't like to eat and take your drugs. If you probably start taking your drugs, I do that, you'll be perfect, right? You know, let me try.
Are you sure?
No, I'm trying. Would you take from me? So Naza, you need to eat so you can be healthy. Alright. Will you eat? Hmm?
It's okay. It's okay.
To eat.
Give it to her. You can't even believe how happy I am. Honestly, like,
I can relate.
you cannot relate, oh. Do you know how long we've been trying to get her to take her medications? How long?
Well,
I wish Izini was here. She'd be super excited.
well, introductions have been made. I can go back to Abuja now, right?
Introductions have not been made. This is just preamble. You have to make your intentions clear so she will understand what you're doing here. She's the Adao. She's the one that will call the elders. It's not me. So you have to go and make your purpose of this visit clear to her so that.
Ah, well, maybe I shouldn't have given you the ring at first, right? I should have actually come see your sister first to ask her permission, right?
What's this one saying? I'm only saying you need to make your intentions clear to her now.
Jerry!
So that, calling you.
Jerry. Jerry. I want to drink tea.
Okay, so let me just go and make the tea for
No,
you.
Jerry, don't worry. You'll make it hot tea.
I know, I'll make it for you.
No, if you make it, I won't drink it. I want him to make the tea.
You know what? It's fine.
Very hot.
I'll go make it.
Hot plenty milk.
Hot tea.
Very hot one. It's plenty milk. So hot. Yeah, so I was saying, when I resume work, I would make wigs for my sisters. They love wigs, especially Izini. That one lost a good life.
Yeah, I also noticed Chichi loves good life. You know, it's one of the reasons I fell in love with her. You know, I also came so that
I'm thinking I would also design something for guys. I mean, it won't be bad if, guys party with wigs. It won't be bad at all.
I would love to see how that looks.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I'm thinking. I just want to take a walk. Do you mind? Okay. Please help me up. Thank you. Okay.
yeah.
So how was the walk with my sister? Where is she?
She's in her room. I'll be leaving tomorrow.
Babe, what's the problem? Is there any issue?
There's no issue. I mean, I've met your sister. We've shared the kitchen. We've gone on a walk. We've done everything. It's time for me to go back to Abuja to handle my business.
Yeah, I know about that. I was thinking, since she likes and relates with you very well, maybe you just stay a little longer to help her recover better.
No, look, she's your sister. She should be more comfortable with you.
I know, but I don't really know how these things work. I think her mental health accepts men more, so it's gonna help her.
Stop. I'm going tomorrow. Alright?
I've heard you don't have to shout.
I wasn't shouting.
So what were you doing?
Just laying emphasis.
President of emphasis. Do you really have to go?
Yes, I do. I do. I have to. I'll miss you too.
Okay, but I'm gonna come as soon as Disney returns. Okay?
Alright. You just take care of yourself.
I will. You too.
Alright, come here. Alright.
Call me as soon as you land.
Yeah, sure.
I hope you know that.
Yeah.
Oh, sister. He just left.
Jerry?
Yeah, he left for Abuja.
What? What?
Yes. You know, the entire point of his coming was to come and meet with his in-laws officially, which has been done. So he has to go back and do his business. Sister, are you okay?
Call him. Tell him to return.
Excuse me?
Call him right now.
He's already on his way. Right now! Call him! Okay. I'll call him. I'll call him now. Hello, babe?
Babe.
Babe, please come back.
What? Are you alright?
Just come back. Come back. Turn around and come back now. Now.
Alright, I'll come.
Please, yes.
Driver, please just turn. Take me back to where you picked me from.
Are you okay?
It's okay. This whole thing doesn't make sense anymore, Chichi.
Babe, you just call me by my name.
Oh, please, don't be petty. Why does your sister want me here?
Isn't it obvious? You make her feel better, you make her feel at home. Is it not glaring?
But I have my life to live.
I know that, but you have people that can run your business for you. Babe, you have your phone here, you have your laptop here. You can work from my house.
Wait. Let me get this straight. Are you asking me to live here?
Babe, it's only for the time being. My sister needs you. I need you here.
I don't like this.
Babe, if keeping you here is the one thing that can make my sister feel better, I don't have a problem with it.
Oh, well, I have a problem with it.
Babe, please do this for me. Please. Babe.
My name is Phil, and that's God's will for
Stay.
you. My love, you no get it, that's why you no fit expire. If it be my ease, I don't go chop you up like that. Oh, baby, hear me out. Hear me out.
Because you're the best thing ever.
They say 1 + 1 is 2, but for our own case, in our
Is this the kind of wedding dress you want me to wear?
Babe, am I the one that will buy you your wedding dress? You pick your wedding dress yourself now.
Oh, okay. Oh,
It's not the way it works.
But you pay.
Yes.
Hi, I did lunch.
You cooked?
Yes, I did. I'll be waiting at the dining.
Babe.
What?
What effect do you have on my sister?
How do you mean?
Did you not hear her? She cooked. This is the first time my sister is entering her kitchen since the accident, and she did not just enter. She cooked.
Wow.
I don't know what effect you have on her, but I love it. Come, let's go and eat.
For real?
Let's go and eat. I promise you this will be the best meal you've had.
Okay.
Let's go and eat. My sister cooks so good.
My name is Phil, and that's got you for you. My love is okay.
When last you cooked?
Is this okay?
It's all.
I'm not gonna chop you up like that. Oh, baby, hear me out. Hear me out.
Sister, I've missed your cooking so much. This is so good.
Jerry,
Yeah.
you haven't complimented my cooking.
Oh, it's quite nice. Very tasty.
Oh, sister, I wish his name was around. I hope you cook when she returns.
Of course. As long as Jerry is here, I'll cook.
Yeah.
Is there one more?
Finish this one first.
I'll finish everything now.
Okay. Noted. I'll give you. Do you want one?
No, I'm fine. Yeah, good.
See on my life, I only you I know. As I look at
Food is sweet. I'm thinking in my head.
I know go use you play. Even if I be Ronaldo. Oh, right now,
Just two more.
giving you my all. I come take my last name. Even in the time you make I need.
Still me.
Okay. Do you need more? Alright. Alright, so let me get you to rest, alright? Alright, go in. Sleep. Alright. So I'll see you in the morning. To meet my fiance in her room.
Please, don't go.
I don't understand.
I want you to stay. It was me that asked you to come, just so you can keep me company.
But I can't.
Why not?
Because I'm engaged to your sister.
It doesn't matter. Please, I want you to stay with me and keep me company, please. Please, 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 please.
I'll speak with Chichi then. Okay?
Please.
Come in. What? You do realize you're telling me to go spend the night in your sister's room?
Babe, there is nothing wrong with that. I trust you and I trust my sister. I think she's just scared and needs you to just lie with her. And she'll probably sleep like a baby. I won't notice you around.
The more reason why I shouldn't be there. This is not right, Chichi.
Babe, you're taking this too far. We've already talked about this. Everything we're doing is for her well-being. Remember? Her well-being.
I still think you're taking this thing too far.
Babe. Just do this for me, okay? Everything is going to be alright, I promise. Please.
It's fine. It's fine.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
Thanks, baby. I miss you.
I knew you were going to come back. Sit down. Sit. Thank you. Thank you for coming back. Do you snore? Okay, don't snore, okay? Jerry,
Yes,
please don't leave me again.
I won't leave.
Promise.
I promise.
Promise again.
I promise.
Okay. Yeah. Don't snore too loud, okay? Cover yourself so you don't get cold. Hold me.
Come on.
Hold me, I'm cold. Hold my waist. Very tight. Yes, like that. Don't run away when I'm sleeping, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning. How was your night?
It was fine. Where's Jerry?
He's asleep.
Oh, this morning?
Apparently he did not get any sleep last night, so he's asleep.
Well, what's that? I didn't disturb him last night.
I know. You see, Jerry's that kind of guy. He's so decent and responsible and caring. He stayed up all night, watching you sleep to be sure you'll be okay.
So sweet. Yeah. But he should have slept. I'm not a child.
I know. Sister, talking about not being a child, Jerry has businesses in Abuja and he has to go back to them. And since I'm around and I can take care of you, he has to go. The only reason he's here is because you're my elder sister and I begged him to stay. He has to go back.
He's not going anywhere. Alright? I want him to stay.
Sister, you
I said I want him to stay.
And he asked me to come for an interview day after tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. I spoke with him earlier.
I thought as much. So I'll be leaving for Abuja.
Okay.
Babe, what's up with the attitude? Why are you giving me monosyllabic responses?
What else do you want me to say?
Babe, I know it must be really difficult for you. And it is for me too, but she's my sister.
Oh, isn't that the reason why we are all doing this in the first place? It's just...
Babe.
Abuja, she has an interview.
But she didn't mention that to me.
Maybe she didn't want to disturb you.
Or she thinks it's pointless.
I'll get something hot to put on it so it does not swell, okay?
Okay.
It's okay, sorry. Sorry. I know. Okay, it's okay, just look at me, okay? Just look at me. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Where's your slippers? Just hold on. Just like this.
Thank you.
You walk. What is it?
Dance with me.
Your uncle.
I'll be fine. I haven't danced since. Just dance with me, please. Naza. The meaning of what I saw downstairs. You were trying to kiss Sister Chi's fiance. Was that what you saw? Don't even try to deny it. You should be bold enough to own whatever you're doing. You thought was that. Okay. Fine. I tried to kiss him. Why? He's your sister's fiance. I know. But I love him. I've loved him from the moment I saw him, and I love him more now. How can you even say that about your own sister's man? It is what it is, isn't it? I'm trying, but I can't help it. I love him, and that's what it is. Because I don't want you to have issues with Sister Chi. Whatever you think you feel for him, kill it. Because it's going to destroy this family that you tried so hard to build.
Isn't it? Look, I know what you think you saw, but
I know what I saw. But it's not your fault. But for the good of your relationship with Sister Chichi, I think it's high time we left the house before things get out of hand.
Damn tried. Do you know how well I've tried? Your sister won't let me. She wants me here every damn time. Whenever I tell her, she says I should stay and try help Naza out.
Why not tell her the truth?
You know I can't do that. You know what that would do to your sister? You know what that would do? It will break you all. I don't want that.
So what do you want to do?
I don't know. But I'll think of something.
But I think fast.
Yeah, sure. Who's that?
It's me, Naza.
Come in. How is your uncle?
Healing. About earlier. I'm sorry. The truth is, I'm attracted to you. Listen, I'm trying so hard to fight it, but it's not working.
You have to try harder. Look, this will ruin your relationship with your sister. We were lucky today. Today it was Izini. Tomorrow it might be Chichi.
Did you even listen to what I said? I said I am trying. I can't help it.
But I'll have to help you.
How?
I'll leave tomorrow.
What? Please don't go. Please.
Look, I've already thought about it and my mind is made up. Nothing will change it. baby.
Hey, baby.
I'll be coming tomorrow.
Babe, are you alright?
Yeah. I just miss you, that's all.
Anytime I wake up in the morning, I would like to see you by my side. You came into my life and made me smile. Every day, there's no better feeling. So here I am, heart open wide.
Good morning, Izzy.
I can see presented to me.
My mind is made up. Take care of yourself and your sister, okay?
So here I am, heart open wide, ready to take this emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. Oh, yeah. Oh my Lord. My feelings grow. My feelings grow. My feelings grow. My feelings grow. Emotional rise.
Sister?
Emotional rise.
Sister?
Oh.
Uncle Jerry! Sister!
You came
Uncle
into
Jerry!
my life and made me smile.
Uncle Jerry!
Every day, there's no better feeling. So here I am, heart open wide, ready to take this emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. So here I am, heart open wide, ready to take this emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. 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 Emotional rise. Emotional rise.
What is it? What? What again? Eh?
She's not breathing.
Yes.
She's stable.
So, what did he suggest we do?
Oh, he said she's been stressed lately and that's what made her blood pressure skyrocket. He said we should do anything she wants.
Babes, I know you didn't tell me why you wanted to leave this family, but please, can you just stay with her a little while until I return, please? She's better off with you than easily. Please, make love to this family. Please. Please, make love to this family, please.
Fine.
Thank you.
Fine.
Sister, take. Please take your medicine. You need it.
Isn't it? Don't worry. Let me try. Naza, why don't you want to take your drugs? Do you want to take it now?
I haven't eaten.
You haven't eaten? Get that food.
Okay, sure.
Just keep this now.
I don't like the smell.
Oh, no.
You don't. Feed me. Wrong in every ramification.
She does not know what she's doing.
Why is she doing that?
I don't know.
You're defending her.
I'm just looking at her health condition.
Why? Of all the men in this world, she chose you, her sister's man.
Like I said, I don't think she knows what she's doing. Let's just hope she gets better.
I don't like this. I do not like this at all.
We still need to do it.
Sister.
Isn't how is Naza?
That is why I'm calling.
What is the problem? Is she alright?
Sister, I want you to come back immediately.
Isn't it what is the matter?
If you really want this family to be happy, I want you to come back immediately. Please. Thank you. Please don't go. Stay with me.
morning. I would like to see you by my side. You came into my life and made me smile every day. There's no better feeling. So here I am, eyes open wide, ready to take this emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. So here I am, eyes open wide, ready to take this emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow.
I like what you're doing. Look at his hair. Do you like it?
Well, black is my thing.
You're such a funny man.
I know, right?
What? Really? Naza, how could you? How could you be so ridiculous? I thought you were my elder sister. I brought my man to introduce to you and then you tried to seduce him. Really? Naza, why? I thought him being here was helping you recover. I even forced him to stay. Naza, I forced him to stay back to help you recover. And then you couldn't wait to lay your filthy hands on him. The man I brought to you for blessings. Well, it's obvious we don't need your blessings anymore. I'm leaving for Abuja this minute with Jerry. So when you're ready to be an elder sister to me, you know where to find me. Goodbye.
Babe, you're back?
I'm not back. Pack your things, we're leaving this minute.
Wait, we're leaving. What's wrong?
Everything is wrong. Just pack your things, let's go.
Alright, fine. I get you, but first at least tell me what's the problem.
My sister is the problem. Isn't you told me everything that has happened? Why did you not tell me?
Well, I didn't want to cause a problem between you and your sister.
My sister already caused the problem. The moment she tried to seduce you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is why you've been wanting to leave? And I've been forcing you, begging you to stay here. I have been so stupid. I have been an idiot. Oh my God.
It's okay, calm down. Alright, calm down.
If there's nothing to be calm about, let's leave.
Yeah, okay.
Have you fallen for her?
Don't be ridiculous, babe.
Then let's go.
Fine. Just get my stuff.
Don't worry. I'll be calling you from time to time, okay? Okay, sister. Bye. Naza! Sister! Sister, now that we're back home and you're fine, obviously, Jerry and I will be leaving. Babe, can we go?
Naza Okafor. Born on the 12th of November, 1994. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Okafor. Younger siblings, Chidima Okafor, born 1996, and Ezinne Okafor, born 1998. Parents died in an accident in 2008. Relocated from Owerri to Lagos. Started working in a salon. And 2 years after, I got my own salon. On my way back from work, had an accident.
Wow. Sister, you remember everything now?
Yes, I do. And I remember that I've always loved you. I have loved you from the moment I set my eyes on you.
I can see the madness is still in there. Babe, can we just leave already?
No. You're not walking away from me again.
I don't understand. Have I walked out on you before?
It's such a shame that you do not even recognize me after the effect the last meeting had on me.
What meeting are you talking about, Naza?
You almost knocked me down when I was a call with my sister Ezinne. And then you offered to take me to
Rick's restaurant.
You remember it?
Can somebody tell me what is actually going on here?
I think I have it. I still have it.
What does she have?
You gave this to me. Remember?
Jerry, this is your card. This is your card. What is she doing with your card?
You gave this to me and told me to call you.
But she never called.
That was because I had an accident. I had an accident that left me in this condition. I had an accident 2 years ago on the 19th of February and that left me in this condition. But now you're back here. Don't you see? Don't you see it's fate?
So here I am, heart open wide, ready to take this emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. So here I am, heart open wide, ready to take this emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. 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 It's emotional rise. Find the rose. Emotional rise. Oh. Anytime I wake up in the morning. I would like to see you by my side. See you by my side. You came into my life and made me smile. Every day, there's no better feeling. So here I am, heart open wide, ready to take this emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. So here I am, heart open wide, ready to take this emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. Oh my Lord, my feelings grow. My feelings grow. My feelings grow. Emotional rise.
Now I regret bringing Jerry into our home. How could I have brought in a man that Naza is clearly obsessed with? How?
But no harm has been done yet.
Yes, no harm has been done. Can't you see how she is towards him? Sister forgot everything. I mean, she lost her memory, but she remembered Jerry. She even kept his card. All this while she has kept his card. Why?
So what do you want to do? Leave your man for her?
Isn't it? I don't know what to do. Isn't it? I am confused. I feel like the world is against me. I don't know what to do.
We'll always find a solution to every problem.
I don't know what to do.
It's okay, it's fine. Everything's going to sort itself out.
It's in me.
Now you look at me and listen, alright? I did everything I did for you because your sister, my fiancée, asked me to. Not because I had some feelings for you whatsoever, because I have none. Alright? We must have met a couple of years back and exchanged contacts, but that was it. Alright? I do not have any feelings for you whatsoever. I met Chichi and I fell in love with her and I am going to marry her no matter what. Alright? So whatever feelings you say you have, that's your business. It has nothing to do with me. It's none of my concern. But for what is what, though? I'm glad I could help you recover.
No.
Do you love her?
Excuse me.
Do you love my sister, Naza?
What kind of a stupid question is that?
Don't ask me that, Jerry. Don't. Because everything that is happening right now is your fault.
My fault?
Yes. Yes. Because if you had mentioned it to me earlier that my sister was making advances towards you, I would have gotten you out of this house a long time ago. But you didn't mention it to me because of reasons personal to you.
Because I didn't want to ruin the relationship between sisters, that's it.
Or because you had feelings for her. Besides, you asked her out, so your reasons are valid, aren't they?
Oh yes, I asked her out a couple of years ago, right? But that was way before I met you. And why am I even answering these questions when it's all your fault? You're the one who wanted me to come here. You're the one who insisted that I cater for your sister staying here. So how is it my fault? Every damn thing here is your fault. You know what? I'm out of here and I'm booking my flight out of this place first thing tomorrow morning.
Jerry, we're not done talking. Jerry, don't walk out on me.
At first, I thought it was the memory loss that was the problem. Hence, whatever you were doing was forgivable. But watching you recount our history and still have the boldness to stand there and say you are in love with Sister Chichi's fiancé, I feel disappointed. For the first time, I wished you weren't well. I wished you still had memory loss, so I can continue seeing you as the demigod I had as an elder sister. This you is a big disgrace to sisterhood.
Babe, I don't want to lose you.
You're not going to lose me.
I can't live without you.
You're not going to lose me. You're not going to lose me. We'll leave this place first thing in the morning.
And my sisters?
Well, Izini can actually come with us. But Naza has to stay here till she learns to respect our boundaries.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
So here I am, heart open wide, ready to take emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. So here I am, heart open wide, ready to take emotional ride. With every beat, my feelings grow. My feelings grow. My feelings grow. My feelings grow.
Oh, I'll miss you too. But you're always welcome to Abuja,
You
okay?
can't leave Sister Naza alone.
I know.
I'm sorry. I am deeply sorry. Please forgive me. I have failed at my sisterly duties, but I am sorry. I need you girls to please forgive me. I wish I was the youngest so you both can spank me and just speak senses into me. That would be nice.
Oh, shut up.
Chichi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I ruined your happiness. I'm sorry for everything, please.
Sister, no, you don't have to do that. It's okay. I understand.
Jerry, sorry. Sorry for everything. I didn't mean to put you through all of this. I don't even know if you would ever respect me as your sister-in-law. Sorry.
It's okay. I'm glad everything turned out good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So,
Jerry and I will be going to Abuja this minute, and we intend to carry on with our plans for our wedding. You can reach out to the elders so they can fix a date for him to come and see them officially.
Of course. I'll do just that.
Okay.
Can I?
Sure. I love you.
So you, madam, when are you introducing your boyfriend to us? I wanted to, but with the recent happenings, I'm having a rethink.
What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
What do you mean? What do you mean by